Hello guys, in today's video, I'll share with you how to troubleshoot common Binance error. Now let's start. First is open your Play Store, then tap search and look for Binance. Now in here, make sure that your Binance application is updated, and after you update your Binance application is still experiencing errors, maybe you can try this option. Now go to your settings. Then navigate apps and notifications. After that, search for Binance application. Now in here, just tap storage and cache. Then tap clear cache and clear storage. Tap OK. By clearing storage, your Binance application will reset and you need to relog in your account. You can also restart your device. Then after that, try to log in your account again. And if you like this video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more updates.